Hey gang, Poppy here. This is an update for Poppy Cuts Opal. I haven't been posting lately because I rubbed through all my rough and nothing was worth cutting. You know, I mean, if you wanted to watch me use diamond tooling to turn gravel into sand, but no. A couple hours ago, I ordered 160 carats of Australian. They should be here by the 29th of August. Yeah, I know. Hey, everything's coming from somewhere else. So, about going on 4 years ago now, in my machine shop channel, Poppy's Workshop, I wanted to mount this quill mechanism on my shear line milling machine because I wanted to have a quill action for small drills. This is a Proxon. This is the head, and there's a steel column and an aluminum base. No motor, no pulleys, no belt, no spindle, no chuck. $109 before tax and shipping. And I got it. I would have sent it back, but it was exactly what the catalog said. Of course, I left out a couple of words like pot metal piece of crap. The phrase barely good for hobby work. All right. Okay. I got a small drill press from American Science and Surplus. 89 bucks plus tax and shipping. $5 less total than the purchase price of this, not including shipping and tax. Uh, yeah, I know. Oh, it's gotta wait, we're on busy. Hello? Hello? No, this is not April. No, she's not. She works in the doctor's office. And she, no, this one claims to be working for the clinic. Yeah. Idiots with phones interrupting me while I'm recording. Yeah. Now, where were I? Oh, yeah. Drill press from American Science and Surplus. $5 less with tax and shipping than the purchase price of this before tax and shipping. Fully equipped. Not an aluminum base, cast iron. Yeah, variable speed, nice action. What I wanted. Now I'm stuck with this piece of crap. Okay, here we are. And here, as you can see, is my new 4K HD webcam. What I've been looking at the possibility of doing well, and anyway, attaching the webcam, the screw just don't want to reach. It's plastic. Anyway, I'll get another screw and a fastener that isn't plastic. And I'll run the screw down through this hole into this threaded area, and now the big problem hardest to overcome for this project so far. I mean, minor things like screws and that, you know. Put the column in. Put that in place. This is the closest in. Let's see, camera right here, and adjust. I'll put this aside so I don't drop and break it. It's expensive. Okay. Now the view of the camera goes right about there. Now I can extend the viewing area out by putting something under that. That would work. I got material. I can make a metal part for that. Real easy. Now, the camera, the new HD, the new 4K HD 1080p, no less. In fact, even higher resolutions available. Anyway, I've taken stills with it and it gets real good. That picture of the piece of jewelry at the opening of this video, I took that with the new camera. Okay, I'm going to go for now. You take care. Good night from California.